Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to Moral Science video class. Today we are going to learn another lesson from our book, lesson number 5, Sharing is Good. So it's story time now. So children, in this lesson we are going to learn about sharing. Sharing means we all know the meaning, right? Sharing means one thing which we are having, we are giving some part of that to other people, right? So sharing makes one person very kind and generous, and it's an enjoyable activity if you keep on doing that. Okay, so about this sharing we are going to learn with the help of a small story. 9 years old Sumeru was the only child of his parents. He is the only one kid of their parents. Okay, he had everything in his world. Whatever he asked, their parent used to get and give him. Okay, he is very cute boy of their parents. So whatever he wants, they always give him. So he have all the best things to eat, best things to play with, and many toys and beautiful clothes, everything he had. Okay, but this boy is only single child. He don't have the habit of sharing with others anything. Okay, he is very greedy, impolite, and very selfish boy. If you ask him to share anything with any other people, his heart would break and he would cry for hours together. He don't want to share any kind of things, anything with any other people. Meanwhile, his grandmother came to his home. He loves his grandmother very much. One day, his grandma gifted him a rose plant with plenty of beautiful flowers. Okay, and she told him that the plant was very magical. And she said, whenever he share anything to any others, the plant will double. That means 2 rose plants will come in the garden. In the same way, on the other hand, if you don't do any sharing or if you do any wrong thing, the plant will die. Like this, grandma told to the boy. On one day, his classmate asked him, if we have an extra pencil, please give me. Sumeru is having the extra pencil actually, but he don't want to give it to him because he don't like sharing. So, in the same way, he kept silent. When he returned back home, he saw 2 dried sunflower plants in the garden. He was shocked. He thought in the morning the plants were quite good, very green. But how could have happened? He is thinking like this. Then he remembered the words of grandmother and began to think, in the morning I didn't share the pencil with my friend. So because of that it happened like this. Because of that incident the trees are dried up. Like this he started thinking. And when he was thinking like this, a little girl came to him and said, please give me one of these roses. They are so pretty. I like the roses. Please give me 1 rose. Actually he don't want to give. But when he saw the dried up plant, he want to give 1 rose to the girl and check the magical tree. Then he plucked 1 rose and gave it to her. And right there, before his eyes, he saw the rose plant multiply, it seems. That means 2 rose plants came there in the garden. He now had 2 of them. After seeing this, boy asked the girl to wait for a minute, and he went inside his house and he bought his favorite toy and gave to her. And the girl said, thank you, and she smiled at him. This was the first time anyone has shown so much of love towards him, and he liked it a lot. Then immediately after giving the toy to the girl, another rose plant appeared in his garden from nowhere. For the first time in his life, Sumeru felt very happy for giving something to somebody. From that day, the boy changed completely. He started sharing things with everyone. His impoliteness was gone and he was not selfish anymore. When his grandmother asked him the reason for his change, he said, I like to see smiles on the people's faces. Sumeru had understood that more he shared, the more he had. His garden was a living proof for this. So children, I hope you understood the story of the boy Sumeru, right? So what is the moral of the story? If you share something with somebody, you'll get lots of love in return. So children, let's do our worksheet now. Okay, true or false, a bit. First one, Sumeru was very generous boy. False. His heart would break if you ask him to share anything. True. His grandmother gifted him a magic plant to him. True. When he refused to share the extra pencil, 2 plants dried up. True. Sumeru felt the joy of giving after the little girl's smile and hug. True. His garden was a proof for the fact that the more one shares, the more one has. It is true. Now we finished A bit, children. These are the answers for the true or false. So kids, let's go to B bit. Think and answer. You need to write the answers here. So take some little space here and write down the answers there itself, children. First question, do you think people who do not share things become impolite? So the answers you should write in your own words, and my answer is, if somebody are expecting something from you and you are not sharing to them, it's a kind of impolite manner only. Second question, do you think magic plants exist? So the answer is no, magic plants doesn't exist in real life. Third question, do you think Sumeru really changed? Give at least one reason. Answer is yes, Sumeru changed really because he started sharing all the things with everyone. Fourth question, would you share your things with others? Yes, I will share my things with all my friends and family members. Fifth question, what is the lesson to be learned from this story? So the moral of the story is you should start sharing things with your friends and family. Sharing gives you so much of love and affection in return. So kids, I hope you all understood the story and finished the worksheet along with me. So if you have any doubts, please refer this page one more time. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.